Hello everybody and welcome back. As you saw in the intro, today we have one very beautiful stitch. I'm just going to start right away. So to start the stitch you need to chain multiple of 18 plus 6 additional chains at the end. I'm going to chain here just a little. I'm going to make a little swatch to show you, and I'm going to chain 42 chains total. Okay, now that we have our initial chains, let's start with row 1. We have to make one double treble crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. So if you don't know how to make double treble crochet, um, I'll show you. You need to yarn over 3 times on the hook. Now let's find the 6th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go into the chain, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and one more time, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. And this is how you make double treble crochet. From here, chain 1. Now we are going to work around the double treble crochet. Turn slightly. So what we need to do here is make slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1. Total, we need to repeat that 7 times. So slip stitch, chain 1, 1, slip stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more time, 7. This is how it's looking. Now we continue working on around the chain. Again, 1 slip stitch, chain 1. Repeat 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you run out of place, just squeeze them to fit more. 6 and 7. Now here somewhere is the first stitch that we made. Go in there and make 1 single crochet. Okay, like this. From here, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 double treble crochet into the first chain. So yarn over 3 times, go into the chain and make the double treble crochet just like I showed you before, like this. Chain 1. Now again we repeat absolutely the same steps here. Slip stitch, chain 1, repeat 7 times, slip stitch, chain 1, again 7 times on the other side. And again finish with 1 single crochet in the first stitch. And this is how it's looking so far. So let's continue. Here now we're going to work into the initial chain. Skip 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the ninth, we need to make one single crochet like this. Then chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Skip 8 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the ninth chain, one single crochet. Okay. Now we need to repeat these steps here to make the next rings. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to make again one double treble crochet in the first chain, then chain 1, and repeat the steps. Slip stitch, chain 1 7 times on this side, then slip stitch, chain 1 7 times on this side. Don't forget to finish it with one single crochet into the first stitch. Then we continue with the next ring. Chain 5 and one double treble crochet in the first chain. Okay, now we need again to skip 8 stitches here in the initial chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the ninth, go into the ninth chain and make one single crochet, then chain 11, and make one single crochet into the last stitch. So again here you also need to skip 8 stitches, so 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The ninth chain is the last chain, so go ahead and make one single crochet there. And this is the first row, so mine is very small, but yours most probably will be wider with more repeats of these steps. Okay, let's start row 2, chain 1 and turn and make one single crochet here at the very first stitch. From here the steps are identical to what we did on row 1. We're going to start with building 2 rings at the beginning, so chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the next step is to make one double treble crochet into the first chain, chain 1, and then repeat the steps. Slip stitch, chain 1 7 times on around the double treble crochet, then turn and make slip stitch, chain 1, again repeat 7 times around the chain right here. and then continue with the next ring right after this one. Okay, now I'm ready with the 2 rings here. So let's move to the next step. We need to make 1 single crochet around this chain. Go ahead and make 1 single crochet. And from here, chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then the next single crochet needs to be here between the 2 rings. Like this. We continue with the next 2 rings. Chain 5, and you know what to do next. And the 2 rings are ready. Now make 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Here. Chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then make again 1 single crochet between the next 2 rings, and my row is finished. If you need to make another repeats of the steps, you can do it until you reach the last 2 groups of the previous row. Let me show you how it's looking so far. Row 3 is the same as row 2. This stitch looks complex, but actually is very simple. It's 1 row repeat. We're going to start again with chain 1 and turn 1 single crochet here at the very first stitch. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're building here our next 2 rings. Then 1 single crochet here in this around the chain, then chain 11, and the next single crochet is here between the next 2 rings, and you continue with the same steps until you reach the end of your row. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you like this stitch. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!